welcome back to Always Alyssa. How's everybody doing on this wonderful day? Hopefully amazing. First of all, thank you for clicking on this video. This is going to be a super amazing video. It's going to be a big video. I'm very excited about it. So I'm just going to give you, like a before and after of my room, because in this video I'm going to be doing an entire room makeover slash cleanup. It's gonna look so different and much better when it's done. I am so excited. So one of the first big things that I'm going to be doing in this video is changing my whole bed. I'm gonna be changing the color and everything about the bed sheets. And I'm gonna reorganize some stuff on the bed, and I'm gonna do a bunch of other cleaning in my room. So it's gonna be exciting. First, I'm going to do a before shot of everything in my room. So here are my new bed sheets. I'm super excited about them because I think they're gonna match my room a whole lot better than the purple will, just because it clashes a little bit with my pink walls. So I think I'll still keep these pillows though. They are pretty cute. I'm gonna decide. And I think the first thing I'm gonna do is clean my desk a little bit. I'm working on this project right now, so I just have to tidy up a little bit. These for example, these can go on top of my desk for now. My iPad, I'm probably not going to use it today just because I'm going to be pretty busy, so I'm going to put it up here. Ooh, these should not be out. I'm going to put these up here. Right here. Let's put that right there. And my notepad goes in there. And this is for my guitar. I'm probably not going to use it for a little bit, so I'm going to put it in the case. So let's organize these pencils just a little bit so it doesn't look as cluttered. That's better. Now let's clean up these cables down here. This white one is for my iPad and the black one is for my phone, and my iPad's fully charged, so I'm just gonna put this in this drawer. Okay, that's much better. I'm gonna tidy up just right here, put some of this away, and by the way, you're probably wondering, why does she have all this, food stash in her room? Well, that's because I just had my birthday and these are all the food gifts I got. So I just wrote my name on all of them, and then I'm gonna take them to the pantry. So yeah, that's where I'm gonna put those. This hasn't been washed in a while, so I'm gonna take this to the kitchen to wash it. This is a project I'm working on. I'm pretty sure you guys already saw, but it's taking me a long time and I'm working on a new one. So I'm just gonna organize this. That's better. And let's also take down this random sticky note. And now I'm gonna take all this food to the pantry. This goes in the bathroom. And I'm gonna put this inside of there. Okay, now it is time to take all the pillows and the sheets off my bed. I'm so excited. Let's do the pillows first, and I think I'm gonna put them over here just so they're out of the way. Okay, I got my pillows stacked up, and now I'm gonna take out some of this stuff too. Okay, I'm just gonna fold this blanket really fast. It's so cute because it has my name on it. Look, right there, in the red, Alyssa. So cute, huh? So let's just fold this up. I sleep with this blanket every night. It's so soft. Perfect. Let's take my pineapple off. Let's take my pillow and my two foxes over here. Okay, it's almost ready. Now I'm going to open the sheets. Okay, here we go. I haven't fully opened these before, only partially, so I want to see how they look. Which hopefully I'm going to like it. I mean, I'm sure I do. I already love the colors, so I'm sure it's going to be awesome. And there's still a couple little tags to undo. Ooh, pretty colors. I'm liking this. Gotta get out the cardboard. Okay, that's all the cardboard, I think. This is, oh, perfect. Pillowcases. Can't wait to put this on. I'm going to put the pillowcase on right now. Goodbye to the purple pillowcase. Okay, these should be the same, I believe. Yep, they're the same. They're nice and soft, too. These can be pretty hard to put in. I don't even know if I'm doing it right. Maybe I did it the wrong way. But hey, I at least got it. Okay, pillow all done. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna set this aside while I take off my purple sheets. Okay, these ones are pretty easy to take off. Okay, here are the purple sheets that are on the floor, Now I'm going to open up this pack right here. Wow, my bed looks so empty. Look at it. It's so white. Time to open the sheets. They're super cute, by the way. Look at the design. They're like little suns. Ooh, fancy, y'all. Folded nice. More cardboard. Cute. Can't wait to put these on. Okay, I got the sheets on. Now I'm just gonna fix them up a little bit. Okay, it looks a bit better now, and I'm pretty sure this sheet goes on top. I am just a little confused about this because I literally have never had normal sheets. I've always had like that one zip-up kind, so I'm pretty sure this goes on next, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I did this right. I like tucked it into the edges and stuff. So yeah, I mean, I hope that's right. It looks right. Time to put the blanket on. I'm gonna decide which color I want at the end because there's different colors on this blanket. Like the top is orange and the bottom is pink, so I'm wondering if I should switch it. We'll see how it looks. I just want it to look super good. I hope it will. Okay, pink on top. I think that'd be good. Okay, I have it about where I want it, and now I'm just gonna tuck in the sides. Okay, I just went and ate some dinner, and I just came back. That's why it's a little bit darker, but I'm still gonna finish. I'm thinking I'm gonna try my old pillows. Well, not old, but you know, my previous pillows on my bed before I try the actual ones I'm gonna use. Well, I still haven't decided which ones I'm gonna use yet. Okay, I'm gonna turn on my lights so you guys can see a little better, but here's how it looks with those pillows, and I think it actually looks really good. So I'm definitely gonna keep these pillows, and I'll probably use them like every day to decorate my bed like this. I actually love how this looks so much. Okay, I don't know about you guys, but I think the bed sheets actually look really good, and I think that they match my room a lot better since some of my room, like especially this part, is like tropical theme. So now my bed sheets match that, and I'm happy about that. Okay, so I have a trash pile here, and I'm gonna put away some more of my stuff. The pineapple goes right here. And oh my gosh, look, it actually looks so cute with the bed. Okay, I'm gonna put my pillow and a couple more stuffed animals away, and then I'm gonna tidy up a little bit. Let's put this away. This is a little hand warmer. This goes in the bathroom, and so does this. Oh, let's pick this up and put it with my other pins. These are some of the gift cards I got for my birthday, so let's put these away too. Okay, now I'm debating whether I should put this or this over my pillow. I don't know which one would be better because they both match. Like this one matches the sheets underneath, but this one matches the blankets. So, okay, so I finally made a decision, a good one. I'm just gonna get 2 of these pillows. I'm gonna put these 2 on top of them, and then I'm gonna put these ones on so they'll be like extra protected, and having 2 more pillows, it'll be more fancy. Okay, I put the first layer on, now it's time to put on the second. Okay, I finished both pillows, and now I'm gonna put them behind these ones. Okay, I did it, and I actually think it looks really good. I am in love with these pillows with the bed sheets. I think it actually looks super good. Time to throw the trash away. Okay, just got back from doing the trash, and wow, I am so excited about how my new bed looks. I mean, just look. I love it so much, like how it matches. It's just perfect. Before I go, I'm going to show you guys a couple things that are new in my room that you may not have noticed. I have added a lot to my Groot collection. Look, now I have 2 of those. So cute, right? I have a bunch of little Groots, and this one is a pen. Isn't that just adorable? I have these cute little flowers and this adorable Groot that I got for my birthday. Look how cute. I also reorganized my bookshelf recently. Okay, really quickly before I go, I have to show you guys the after of my room. Well, this video was a lot of fun to do. I think I had a pretty good room makeover, and you guys are going to have to tell me in the comments what you think of my new bed sheets. I think they look amazing, so tell me what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching!